Hi everyone, it's Jeff from Mitosu Crafts. Thank you for joining me today for the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of For the Guys. So I'll be creating a card featuring moon and back and make a spinner card. So yes, this one it's got the moon and the astronaut. So I'll be doing that with some heat embossing, ink blending as well. So with the circle, you will need the 2/3 of an inch punch. And I'm also going to use the stylish shapes dies. Basic white cardstock for stamping and Night of Navy for the card base and layer. So I'll do some stamping first. So I thought I'd use one of the new in colors, the hydrangea hue, for stamping of the moon. So this new ink pad is magnetic lid, and just make sure you go over and move around your ink pad. There we go. And for the astronaut, I'm gonna use Memento for coloring in Stampin' Blends. Unfortunately, this one hasn't got a die, so you will need to fussy cut it. There you go. So if you do get lighter areas around the helmet, you can use your Stampin' Blends, the basic black, just to darken it out. If you prefer just to cover all that, I have done a pre-cut already, but I'm using the light and dark cloud cover. So instead of grays, I thought I'll do that and quickly just color the sides of most of the suit. So that was the dark, and then bring in my light. On the other ends, or the opposite end. So you have like a white line in between. And I'm also gonna bring in hydrangea hue combo to match the moon. That was the dark, and I'll bring in the light. I believe that is done. And I pre-cut that one using the same colors, or pre-colored using the same colors and cut with detailed scissors. So with this one, use the 2/3 of an inch and just punch centrally. You can heat emboss the sentiment beforehand as well, so you have more area to hold it, but I'm just gonna continue on. And for the layer, I'm gonna randomly stamp 3 of the elements from the stamp set, which is the clusters, planet, and the star. So prepare your card with an embossing body. Just make sure that is all covered. And we'll need the first mark sticky ink. Ooh, I'll need to do that as well. So I place 3 of the stamps, ink that up, and then just randomly stamp the layer, turning your block around as you go down, just so it's all different shapes. Up. And maybe need some more there. Let's go like that. That's done. That side. The sentiment I'm gonna use is "You're out of this world." It is Barry's birthday in June, so I'll probably just give him this, or just put it up on the shelf. There we go. Right, let's bring our tray and embossing powders. You do have a tweezer from the Embossing Additions toolkit. Just clear out. So for the sentiment, I'll use the polished silver while embossing powder. And for the layer, I'll use clear. There is a wow. We do have a wow, but I'm still using up our old clear embossing powder. Clean that up later. Right. Heat tool. And I'll just heat this up. There we go. So nice and shiny. Unfortunately, some of these didn't catch. I didn't stamp it well enough for the powder to stick to it, but hopefully it'll be fine. I'm just gonna clean that off. And I also thought of, because it has got a white border, if you want to, you can use Night of Navy. I got Night of Navy. Yeah. To color the edge. Should have done a separate piece. So I'll just do this and fast forward the video. There we go. I've just colored that with Dark Night of Navy. So it kind of like blends in a little bit better. So I'm just gonna die cut. This is the largest of the stylish shapes centrally to create our channel. Or if you have a bigger punch, you can use that. So we do need a channel for the Stampin' Dimensional to go around. All right, I'm just eyeballing. And I'm just gonna ink blend Secret C just to darken around the edges. Or you can do tone on tone. With Night of Navy, or even a lighter shade, which is Blueberry Bushel. There we go. So the embossing does give it a bit of shine on some areas, which is nice. Right, let us put this all together. So this will need to be propped up. So dimensionals. You need a clear area around it as well. Mm. And maybe a tiny bit on the side. Hopefully it won't catch. Maybe before. Yeah. Or if you have the foam strips, that would be good because it's small and thin, or long and thin. Right. I have got a discontinued punch for the middle bit, because what you'll need to do is you need something like a stopper. Is that going to be big enough? I'm going to punch that and see. Or in the stylish shapes, there is another small die, but it's not small enough. So that one was half an inch. I don't think I have a 3/4 of an inch. So, or you can use pennies. Ooh, do I have a penny? Like coin. I'm just gonna use this because I don't. Normally we have a pot. So I'm gonna add that on. Where's my big tool? As mentioned, this is for the Global Stampin' Video Hop, so do check out the description below for the links to the next videos. or to the next video and the full list of all of the design team. So that's going to be in the middle. So that will need some dimensionals. You can punch another piece. I can probably use, just to make it stronger, I can probably just use this one. Punch that out. And stick it at the back so it's a lot more sturdier. If you prefer. Add dimensional, again, a bit of space around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place that underneath. Add my topper. Just make sure I don't move that. Place that centrally. And then we can add our dimensional. So if this is too big, which I think it is, the mini should be okay, which I did have. So that might be too small. Let's see. No, it's fine. So I'm gonna double dimensional that. So it won't go anywhere. Punch another card. And stick on top. Finally, we're gonna add the astronaut, which has flown away somewhere. Did you see where it went? There. It was hiding. So add that on. Just so it covers the white, and we can add some embellishment. So I do have this shimmer star foam stickers. It isn't the last chance. I'm not sure if it's still going to be available, but it's got black, white, and purple in it. So I'm just gonna add this on. So you do want it away from the spinning astronaut. There you go. You can splatter some white as well, or just dot some white pen instead of splattering. So this is from Stampin' Up. Create different size dots just to make it look like it's splatters. Obviously, it does take longer to go around, but it creates to the scene, I would say. All done. I think that just finished that off. So there we go. Thank you so much for joining me today again, and check out the description below for the product links as well as the next video in the hop and the full list of the design team. Until next time, take care, happy crafting. Bye.